Welcome to Mega Technology, your portal to exploring the marvels of heavy equipment, ingenious inventions, and the dynamic universe of modern technological achievements. The ET120 walking excavator, independently developed by XCMG, integrates remote control, visual navigation, autonomous operation, path planning, environmental recognition, and other intelligent technologies. It can play a great role in special engineering construction, emergency rescue operations, and other applications. At present, XCMG is the only company with the capability to develop such equipment in China. You see the All-John's heaviest model with up to 127,000 pounds that can efficiently handle and compact up to 1,275 tons of trash and debris per day. We can safely say that this equipment has the highest horsepower and horsepower by class compared to competitor models. This power, by the way, is about 550 horses, and here are several possible configurations of wheels and spikes make it possible to use the machine for various applications. Moreover, such a mid-size unit has exclusive I-beam wheels, 10-inch tires, and hydrostatic transmission design instead of competitors' load-shifting gearbox. The Panther T14R rotary dump truck offers the highest speed combined with high payload in its class and sets new standards for productivity and mobility. Introducing a patented innovation called directional reset, which essentially allows the operator to reset the upper and lower vehicle alignment, front and back, with the simple push of a button. The Prenoth rotary hauler provides continuous rotation of the top of the machine. With a payload capacity of 29,100 pounds, this carrier has the largest payload of any vehicle of this type in its category. The rotating separation of this vehicle allows the operator to work in tight, sensitive areas where other equipment does not have access. Singapore-based heavy lifting and transportation company Taiyang Woon Corporation Holding Limited has added a new XCMG all-terrain crane, the new XCA model, to its fleet. Hydraulic supports, the location of the center of gravity in the lowest place, and control over the uniformity of loading on the boom give the equipment maximum stability in the process of lifting and moving the load. High maneuverability of XCMG highway truck cranes is ensured by swivel rear and front wheel axles. Additionally, there is an innovative automatic load leveling system. The tire on the left and right sides move up/down separately to adapt to road conditions, effectively improve steering stability at high speeds, and achieve excellent off-road performance when driving on narrow roads or roads with poor conditions. The LR1500 crawler crane is a simple, powerful, and compact unit for any construction site. Thanks to the main lifting mechanism, it is possible to move the crane with a lifted load up to a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons. At the same time, the dimensions of this cool machine are quite compact, like a 400-ton crane. All parts weigh up to 45 tons and are no more than 9.8 feet wide, which means there are no limitations to transporting this crawler monster around the world. Thanks to the matching counterweight cart, it can move right along with the load on the hook without any problems. Another big plus is the quickly installed center ballast made of several concrete elements. The upper part forms a secure platform for the counterweight cart. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. The Senebogen 640E duty cycle crane has been specially designed for particularly demanding and dynamic work with a wide range of attachments. Thanks to its robust design, the strengths of the 40-ton machine really come into play when building special foundations. Whether it is used with a leader, rope grab, or hydraulic casing machine, the multi-circuit hydraulic system and powerful swing drive of the duty cycle crane mean that its capabilities are unlimited. This equipment can be used for logistical tasks and various construction jobs, all thanks to its mobile undercarriage with a 69-foot-long lattice boom. The single-point ripper you see on your screens has an angled tine design that provides optimum strength for ripping frozen ground, rocks, sidewalks, and other jobs that exceed capabilities of a heavy ground-moving bucket. This powerful excavator ripper is a versatile tool that goes beyond simply loosening hardened soil. Excavator rippers can also be used to remove stumps, root systems, and rebar. Reiner's WRC model 1250 AC horizontal bandsaw is designed for cutting wood. The saw is equipped with hydraulic components and is easy to use. It does not require numerous personnel. The machine is equipped with an electric motor for lowering, lifting the saw, and its pleated main columns are equipped with special plastic to improve sliding. There is computer programming of the cut thickness setting with display of actual log thickness and height values. This high-performance bandsaw really does cut wood quickly and accurately. The feed bed of the Morbark Model 6400 XT horizontal grinder has sloped sides and is 24 inches longer than previous Morbark grinders with more than 1,000 horsepower. This configuration improves operator visibility for more efficient material loading. The Woodhog model comes standard with a removable return floor in the feed chain to dump excess material and reduce wear and tear. Weighing less than 96,500 pounds and measuring 11 feet 5.5 inches wide, this equipment model features a standard Caterpillar 325L undercarriage and a 23.5-inch dual ground track tracks. The Pilkmaster Evo wood chipper can be modified with additional equipment to the exact machine you need. The Pilkmaster Evo 36HC Lite is designed for efficient and easy operation. This makes it an excellent machine for collective use, for example. The body of the machine is designed to adjust to the size the user requires, ensuring ergonomics. The quiet chainsaw with an automatic lubrication system cuts wood efficiently. Thanks to the open box device, debris and waste wood is poured out of the mechanism. The option of hydraulic height adjustment of the splitting blade, which comes standard, ensures efficient and pleasant operation. The splitting power and speed of the Pilkmaster Evo 36 wood splitter are automatically adjusted according to the size and strength of the timber. The 875E is a multi-purpose carrier with two boom options for loading or handling wood under the most challenging operating conditions. Optimally positioned controls and a large touchscreen display improve ergonomics and overall machine control. Model advantages include better service access, more reliable undercarriage components, and extremely efficient hydraulic circuits. The result is high productivity, uptime, and fuel efficiency. The undercarriage is designed and built to withstand the rigors of constant use. The heavy-duty body provides additional stability when working with heavy timber. KGHM Zanum has completed another export delivery of a powerful loader, LKP 0703. The machine was ordered by a contractor from Germany and is designed to meet all its needs. Firstly, the loader is equipped with a remote control system, which allows performance tasks even in the most difficult conditions of modern mines. It is also the first remote-controlled machine delivered to a mine and is operating in the demanding and limited German market. And you want to achieve the safest possible operation with the lowest possible operating expenses? Movella translifters and cassettes are the ideal solution for container ports and general cargo terminals. The biggest advantage of such a vehicle is the safe and easy handling of general cargo of non-standard dimensions. You can count on highly efficient transportation and expensive and durable cassettes that are resistant to rough handling. In fact, it is a very reliable machine that requires minimal maintenance. You see a universal excavator planer UDS 224 on the chassis of a Kamaz vehicle. The machine is used for excavation and quarry works, and in combination with interchangeable attachments, it is used in trenching, canals, at construction sites during road maintenance, tunnel and bridge maintenance, as well as repair of gas and oil pipelines. The main unique feature of this model is the absence of a separate engine to drive the superstructure of the machine, and the use of the Kamaz chassis power unit for these purposes. This allowed to make the superstructure lighter and shorter, and its operation easier and cheaper, giving the machine a modern design and better ergonomics. Using the remote control, the device operator can control all functions of the pilling device and various attachments, such as the sheet pilling press. With the RTG MPZ 770 sheet pilling press, 4 sheet pile walls can be erected simultaneously without any auxiliary equipment. Depending on the ground conditions, it can be used anywhere and shows its particular advantages in areas where vibration is unacceptable, such as in the immediate vicinity of buildings or power lines. Not so long ago, it was unique. The RU800S Swiatkowski revolutionized track construction. Thanks to the large machine, the 2 complex processes of track reconstruction and ballast layer cleaning could be combined in a single track barrier. You must agree that this greatly simplifies the process and saves working time. With the RUS 1000S, the successful concept of the Placer and Thur Swiatkowski system is now being further developed. In the video, this impressive machine and its technical features are presented to you, so you can see for yourself. The Volvo FMX is packed with built-in features that make demanding tasks easier. The rugged cab provides improved forward visibility, and cameras can be viewed on the side display for enhanced safety. A traction control panel helps the driver deal with potentially dangerous situations both on and off-road, and the incredible 38-ton bogie greatly enhances productivity by increasing payload. Truly a truck on which to build the future. Meet the DGT Modified Wrecker Super Heavy Duty Wrecker, patented by Big Technique. The machine features a 2-cylinder 80-ton tilt head with no extendable boom and a 3.3-foot, 2-stage hydraulic extendable bottom elevator. The hydraulic system includes tubing, hoses, and a 10-function ukr safety valve block. The installation includes a power tilt to minimize damage to bumpers. The tow truck also has one 20-ton Sepson hydraulic winch with 30-meter cable, pressure rolling, and pneumatic-free spool. The rig is fully sized and made up of modern Domex 900 steels, equipped with deluxe stainless steel tall boxes and a trestle. The CT718 compost turner sets new standards in efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been improved, including new controls, an easy-to-read control display, and side and rear view cameras. Plus, the mainframe has been improved, resulting in lower machine height and therefore better transportability. The WR is equipped with a powerful milling and mixing rotor, as well as a state-of-the-art injection system. Using the milling and mixing rotor, the cold recycler mills perfectly the asphalt pavement in one pass, crushes it, adds binders and water through precise dosage, and then thoroughly mixes the resulting mixture. This machine definitely offers the right solution for all soil stabilization and cold recycling tasks. The new line class ARF 8x8 is manufactured in high quality to meet the needs of the fire apparatus sector. Thanks to its lightweight and aerodynamic upper structure, composite alloy and twin engine, 1,300 horsepower engine, the new line can reach the hearth of the fire in seconds, fearlessly tackling even the worst fires. All thanks to a fire pump that can easily pump 12,000 liters of water per minute. You see the high-performance Hudig cable plow, which was created by the 2 companies, Lyra and Graf Kebelflut, and it really is a cost-effective alternative to laying fiber optic cables. With their own fields of construction, electrical engineering, and communications, the companies can offer complete solutions for broadband expansion in projects of any size. That's why they created their ideal tracked plow for overland installation in different agricultural areas. It is designed just right for laying along transportation routes. Pilkmaster's smart firewood choppers are designed to simplify firewood production. They can be connected to the hydraulics of a tractor, compact loader, or hydraulic excavator. With the Pilkmaster Smart 1 firewood harvester, the log is extracted directly from the stack or forest trailer and can be cut to the desired length and split directly into a big bag, container, or trailer, thus reducing the number of operations and increasing productivity. Pilkmaster Smart 1's compact size allows for production even on smaller machines. The Smart 1 is also easy to store, for example, on a pallet. DT30PM Vitgas is a 2-link tracked all-terrain vehicle with armored protection of the crew compartment. This vehicle is designed for transportation of personnel, military, and technical equipment, transportation of military equipment in particularly difficult road and climatic conditions without any preliminary reconnaissance, and engineering equipment of routes, as well as a base for installation of weapons. The power plant of the vehicle is located on the first link behind the cab. The engine is a 12-cylinder multi-fuel B46 diesel engine. From the engine, the torque is transmitted via a cardan shaft to the hydromechanical transmission, and then to the bevel and onboard gearboxes and drive wheels of both links. The Skycut is a pruning shear with an 82-foot fiberglass rod. It is equipped with a circular saw with a rotating head. This allows for pruning at high heights. The fiberglass, an electrically non-conductive material, ensures operator safety when trimming near high-voltage power lines. Depending on requirements, the self-propelled machine can also be equipped with a front shredder with fixed hammers. The self-propelled 3-wheeled machine with the latest suction unit is used to clean festival grounds and streets, and in the winter to suck up leaves for various municipalities. The 3-wheeled bike, as it is called, is very maneuverable. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents the vehicle from pushing the waste into the ground beforehand. The fans provide suction power and dirt pulverization. Due to its small size, the machine is easy to maneuver among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. If you are looking for the perfect crane mat paving machine, here it is in front of you. It is fast, powerful, stable, and efficient. It is the perfect all-in-one machine. You can easily transport, install, remove, and pave concrete mats more efficiently and faster than any other machine on the market. As standard, the Timber Pro is equipped with a continuous cab rotation system. This allows the operator to operate the machine without the need for unnecessary maneuvering. Such machines have also proven their effectiveness in other areas, such as logging operations, for example. Mobis, a Swiss automotive engineering company, revolutionized wood transportation in 2020 with the creation of a folding trailer. This invention is equipped with hydraulic ratchets, a coupling pin, and stabilizers, allowing it to be easily and quickly folded onto a tow vehicle in less than 2 minutes. This approach not only reduces road tax expenses by eliminating the need to pay for wasted trips, but also significantly reduces road space footprint, helping to reduce congestion and improve overall transport efficiency. Meet the SFH from FAE. Not just a machine, it's a marvel of engineering that can transform your land. Designed for tractors up to 500 horsepower, this versatile attachment is capable of chopping trees up to 18 inches in diameter and crushing rocks up to 14 inches while working up to 16 inches below ground. Its unique side gear transmission optimizes power transfer for high speed and torque. When you pair the SFH with a John Deere tractor, for example, you can experience true power and versatility in action. And now you can take a look at one of the industry's best mini mixers with a new hydraulic system to meet the growing needs of developing small towns. The 3M3 mixer truck is capable of traveling on narrow roads and even in hard-to-reach places. The self-loading machine is equipped with a traffic chamber automatic water supply and dosing system, electric suction pump, and other pluses. By the way, the mixer drum can be raised by 20 degrees to facilitate concrete unloading. Chemrock KSI is a Shockum injection attachment for the penetration of cement slurry into cohesive soils. The KSI injection attachment range was developed in cooperation with a German specialized civil engineering company and is the basis of the Schuppe process. The Schuppe process is a soil stabilization system using excavator attachments to inject and mix a defined concrete slurry into non-bearing soils, KSI, which, when cured, create a homogeneous, impermeable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. The EcoVolve ED1000 dump buggy is the most versatile and popular of this company's line of dump trucks. The fully battery-powered unit is particularly effective in the following applications: removing concrete debris and material excavated by electric excavators, hammers, and electric mini-loaders. It can work on larger industrial and commercial buildings where large quantities of materials need to be moved. The dump truck can also work in highly sensitive areas, both indoors and outdoors, where no exhaust fumes are allowed and noise levels must be kept to a minimum. The Outlaw Pump Trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Among its distinct pluses are increased productivity and efficiency, extended reach and maneuverability, and easy transport and installation. 10-inch piping increases flow and/or reduces energy consumption. Engine configurations of 577 to 684 or more horsepower are available, allowing you to choose the power you need for your job. Pump 3,700 gallons per minute at agitation with 150 psi inlet pressure. Remove padding buckets are designed for the demanding tasks of backfilling pipelines and trenches, as well as excavating cables and utility lines in the most challenging environments. These construction tools are extremely durable and eliminate all the extra hassle you don't want when working in a remote location. The bucket frame is designed to last even when you need to move large rocks. There is a separate, powerful direct drive motor for each rotor, and quick and easy maintenance procedures reduce production time. Only the highest quality tools and equipment are suitable for your Unimog, and Mulag has been producing superior high-performance and innovative technology for road and rail maintenance for many years. In addition to curb mowers and slope mowers, with or without a grass collection system, up to a 25.5-foot reach, Mulag has introduced an equipment combination that includes 3 units mounted on the same vehicle for simultaneous use. All powerful booms can be outfitted with a multitude of working attachments for year-round roadside repair and roadside maintenance operations. And how such equipment works, you can see for yourself. You see a new high-capacity side discharge trailer capable of transporting large quantities of waste in a single trip with the added advantage of time due to high-speed unloading cycles. With a volume of 70 cubic meters and an empty weight of 10.2 tons, this tipper is ideal for any bulk material transport where large volumes of materials are required. The side tipper can transport forestry waste, organic matter, construction, and demolition waste. The cleverly designed wall tilt allows this trailer to unload cargo more efficiently due to its higher center of gravity. All parts of the trailer can be made of aluminum or high-strength Hardock steel, according to the customer's wishes. The first new generation road rail contact vehicle from Hilton, one of the world's leading manufacturers of road rail vehicles, is ready for delivery. The vehicle is built on a MAN FMX 6x4 chassis with hydrovolume rail drive and provides a maximum track speed of up to 44 miles per hour. The platform has a working height of 46 feet with a maximum basket load of half a ton. Combined with 2-wire positioners, this unit is a very compact, multi-purpose machine. 7 more units will be available in 2024. You see a special attachment from Iron Baltic with a ball hitch, hand winch, roller, log rack with hanging chains, and flotation tires for ATVs. The machines are designed to haul large logs behind an ATV or RTV. The log dump truck can be used with or without a dolly. The front of the log is lifted up, and then the log is pulled behind, leaving one end on the ground. To reduce environmental impact and for long-distance towing, the cart can be used to suspend the rear of the log to act as a trailer. Ideal for thinning plantations and removing cleared trees whole. You see a QTS forwarder working on the Glasgow Southwest line at Kirkconnell, and it's truly a perfect forwarder. Such a groundbreaking addition to the QTS group fleet. This fully automated rail-mounted shredder is so powerful it can split a 23.6-inch diameter tree in just 10 seconds. This custom kit, which is an upgraded version of the first mega chipper machine, includes a vehicle for 4 operators, remote fault notification via SMS, and a shorter blade configuration that helps the machine run even smoother. The A-frame, created by Elphinstone, is a low-maintenance trailer with less dead weight. It has no slots or pole pins, but pole repositioning can be easily adjusted. Elphinstone's unique design allows the vehicle to not only slide, but also pivot, which reduces stress on the A-frame, pole front, and pole hitch. The folding rear mudguards have replaceable nylon bushings, and the hinges, stretchable mudguards, and fully enclosed suspension provide superior protection for cables, air lines, and brake parts, making cleanup easier and reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit in any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. A conventional forklift will not be able to easily and safely move long and bulky loads around the yard. Often the operators who accompany these loads will have to be overhead to avoid obstacles. Staff safety would be much lower in such a case, and the risk of damage to goods, items would be greatly increased. The new combo lift concept, on the other hand, is based on a very efficient use of space. Thanks to the company's articulated multi-pass forklifts, as you can see on your screens, you can double the capacity of any warehouse. They excel at transporting the heaviest loads and handle various loading and unloading operations with oversized loads. The SB4504 Airport Sweeper is the latest generation of VAMOS equipment that creates a whole new level of efficiency in snow removal. The combination of sweeper, plow, and blower gives maximum productivity even when operating at speeds above 37 miles per hour. The sweeper and blower features a quick-release plow and brush transport position for easy storage at any maintenance facility. The SB4504 Trailed Sweeper is a combination of futuristic design and innovative solutions. Meet the powerful, modern Multi-Rex. The Multi-Rex will be a great helper for you on any demolition or partial demolition project. This unit can chew concrete and other strongest materials without any problems. This technique saves you time and money, allowing you to focus on doing more projects and completing them faster with the fewest number of employees at each site. With the Multi-Rex, you can easily remove large slabs, break them into pieces to fit in the dump truck, and get on the next job sooner. The UDS-211 Tracked Universal Finishing Machine is suitable for precise finishing excavations in difficult terrain. It has excellent stability and overcomes absolutely any uneven terrain. Thanks to the additional attachments, the large-sized machine can be used in a wide range of applications, such as construction sites, quarries, or steel mills. Among the advantages, I can't help but mention the versatility and the long working range of up to 47.9 feet. This specialty telescopic excavator can perform deep undercutting up to 90 degrees, and the tool itself can safely be rotated the full 360 degrees. The machine prides itself on its unique performance and finishing excavations. The MechLift forklift model, ML1612R, is a unique machine, the only forklift with a lifting capacity of 16 to 18 tons that can easily drive into a standard container and moves quickly in confined spaces such as warehouses and marine vessels. MechLift's various attachments expand the possibilities of using a single machine for different purposes. It can stack 20-foot containers in 3 tiers. The hydraulically raised cab provides excellent visibility for the operator, even when handling large loads. With this forklift, you have more space and better visibility, which has a positive effect on the safety of the load itself. The multi-purpose mine ambush armored recovery crane, MPARC, is based on the concept of independently suspended axles and a spatially robust frame. The new MPARC is an unrivaled crane of its kind with exceptional performance. All-wheel drive provides superior traction and mobility, The machine provides high protection against mines, IEDs, and kinetic energy munitions. 5-point safety belts, protection, fire, and explosion protection system, and specially designed seats create a safe environment for personnel. You see a telehandler, a symbol of power and reliability created for those who are looking for more than just equipment, but a reliable work assistant. With its unique ability to handle biomass and dispense of food waste effortlessly, the Cenoboggan 340G stands out as a master of its own craft. Its special design with automatic transmission and chopping optimized control system makes every task more efficient. In addition to its powerful lifting capacity, this loader can work on narrow ledges and difficult gradients, offering performance that optimizes processes and increases efficiency at every stage. Want to see how equipment stands up to serious testing? In Sheldon, Iowa, Holtrop Excavating regularly tests the durability of its Smith-Co trailers by exposing them to large concrete blocks. This video shows how, after a rigorous concrete test, the trailers easily handle the transportation of huge wooden trunks. The versatility and reliability of Smith-Co trailers allow them to operate in the most demanding conditions, making them the ideal choice for Holtrop ground-moving operations equipped with the same brand side dumpers. The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity in any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. The ML2280 storage loaders features a 2.6-foot wide deep chute conveyor belt that allows you to achieve throughputs of more than 180 tons per hour. This technique from DeWolf is available in 52, 62, and 72-foot lengths and can be fully customized to meet your individual needs by selecting one of 4 different filling programs: Farmer, Comfort, Dynamic, and Premium. Switching between working and transport modes is a simple matter of pressing a button. Hilton Engineering recently introduced a new 320T aerial platform model that sets new standards for fire aerials. The first 2 platforms were delivered to Groningen Fire Brigade in the Netherlands, and 5 new platforms are currently in production and awaiting delivery. The new 320T is a result of almost 30 years of experience and continuous improvements in quality, reliability, and user-friendliness. That's why the machine really does have unique characteristics. It provides maximum reliability even in the most critical situations. In addition, the 32-meter platform is also available in CARP versions, a combined air rescue pump with an additional water, foam tank, and water pump. The Unimog Flail is a specialized overgrowth machine that can be operated with a serrat head or quad saw and is ideal for discarding thick overgrown and thorny material. This model has a powerful 12-inch shredder that is carried by the boom for quite a long distance and is available on the UK rail infrastructure. These Unimogs are great for large-scale vegetation removal work. You see a universal finishing machine on a wheel chassis UDS 232, which has excellent mobility and the ability to move both on the road and in the field. Such technique is suitable for precise finishing earthworks and final modifications of building contract with the surrounding terrain. A wide range of additional attachments allows the machine to be used for various purposes. It has a wheel chassis and is suitable for forestry work, as you can see on the screens, as well as in mining, oil industry, or finishing earthworks. Steyr always makes sure that their machine combinations are optimally matched to each other. That this has again been achieved can be seen in the combination of a trencher with a paving attachment attached to the Fendt Vario 211P. With this innovative Steyr invention, narrow pipe trenches are milled in and underground under asphalt or soil, mainly in urban areas. After laying the pipes in the trench, the road surface or soil is backfilled and compacted with the steer compressor wheel. When was the last time construction equipment thrilled you? The Ligscreen Screed Saver Max Plus is guaranteed to change the way you think about concrete paving. This sleek machine doesn't just work, it skillfully creates perfectly flat concrete slabs, turning every project into a masterful job. With laser guidance features and the innovative swing boom pivoting frame, the machine pours concrete with impeccable accuracy and speed. With enhancements including a completely redesigned wireless control system and a quiet Honda gasoline engine, the Screed Saver Max Plus becomes your trusted partner in any construction project. The NS Series Crawler Scissor Elevator is lightweight and equipped with rubber tracks for smooth, fast, and safe travel in difficult road conditions. The machine runs on standard AC mains power, has zero emissions, and is environmentally friendly. The steel crawler design is particularly strong in adapting to the environment. It can be used in the field even without a power supply. The hydraulic lifting platform utilizes a weighted chassis and does not require supporting legs when working. The equipment can walk even when the platform is raised, which greatly improves work efficiency. Building Robotics has developed its autonomous track loader, ATL, which the company believes will definitely become part of many other autonomous construction vehicles. Using a combination of LiDAR technology, similar to that found in unmanned vehicles, and advanced GPS technology that allows for centimeter-accurate positioning, the ATL is capable of performing simple but difficult tasks. For example, digging a hole once, you just need to tell it where and how big that hole should be. The Sikorsky S-64 Sky Crane by Ericsson Air Crane was originally developed for the U.S. Army, as was a civilian version. But later, the purpose of this aircraft was revised, and it began to be prepared mainly for firefighting. The S-64 is equipped with a tank with a capacity of 10,000 liters for the transportation and dumping of fire retardant. It proved to be very successful and is used literally all over the world to prevent seasonal climatic fire risks. The aircraft has a reinforced airframe and increased propeller blade area, which increases the external payload from 20,000 to 25,000 pounds. Shingles can now easily go directly onto any roof thanks to the new Arrowhead working system. With it, you can safely eliminate the extra work of roofing contractors, saving you significant time and money. And guess what? Once you have a full convenient set of roofing materials skillfully placed on your roof, you'll never want to do roofing, lifting, or delivery any other way again. Wouldn't you agree? The C912S crawler dump truck is up to the task even on rough terrain. This powerful machine convinces with its high transport performance, relatively low emissions, economical consumption, and maximum safety. 2 hydrostatic power transmissions with constant full power, optimum weight distribution under any load, and a hydraulic parking brake for guaranteed safe holding even on extreme gradients enable the dump truck to work on almost any terrain. Excavator Planner UDS 214 is a self-propelled, versatile finishing construction special machine with micro-stepping function and productivity of about 108 to 115 meters cubed per hour. Such an excavator planner is mounted on any joint cargo chassis with a 6x4, 6x6 wheel arrangement. The equipment can be used for construction and maintenance of engineering networks, development of foundations and excavation works, cleaning of riverbanks and riverbeds, maintenance of roadbeds, and cleaning of drainage channels, as well as to eliminate the consequences of natural disasters. The main advantages include quick activation in extreme conditions, excellent cross-country ability and maneuverability in inaccessible terrain, as well as a wide range of working tools. The Safe Aero 220 can be controlled, maneuvered, and sprayed from the cab, making it the only single-operator de-icer in the ground support industry. Wireless data transmission and remote diagnostics allow real-time status monitoring and quick changes to improve performance. The Safe Aero 220 also features a powerful ground gun with a 32-foot hose reel for accurate and efficient ice removal processes. Experience a new level of comfort with the Safe Aero 220, the de-icing solution for any operation. The first BRE tire trailer design allows Centurion to transport the most oversized dump truck tires vertically, thereby reducing excessive width. The road train can hold 8 tires in a single trip, and the shelves of each trailer has been configured by ridging, rolling, and pressing, which he says conforms to the shape of the tires. Centurion says the triple drivetrain configuration not only improves safety, efficiency, and productivity, but also reduces the number of drivers and trailers needed for each trip. Safe and fast, its quick installation characterizes this crane. This crane from the company's line of heavy-duty machines has numerous features that increase productivity, provide quick and easy installation, and is easy to use and very reliable. With 90 tons of load torque, a horizontal boom outreach of 113 feet with a jib, and a vertical boom outreach of up to 125 feet, this incredibly reliable crane is ideal for lifting heavy loads over long distances. Auger Torque's hedge trimmer is the perfect complement to excavators, 1.5 to 8 tons, and offers various engine sizes to suit your application. Attaching to an excavator allows for a longer cutting range, providing access to taller trees, deeper hedges, etc. This powerful hedge trimmer is also ideal for cutting tall grass and shrubs, so your vegetation will always look well maintained and beautifully shaped. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.